Hello everyone. Today we are starting a new series of PlayWright with TypeScript. We will learn how to code using PlayWright with TypeScript. So today's first session is about installation of PlayWright and TypeScript. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to search for Node.js download to download the TypeScript. So here, click on this link, Node.js download. Here, select the version. Currently this one is current, so I'm selecting this. And for Windows and chosen bit, you can select for Mac OS and running on it feels 64-bit or 32-bit. So my system is Windows 64-bit. Click on download and download the exe file. This is done. Now install the exe file. Next, accept this. Next, install. Now you can see the Node.js setup wizard is completed and your Node.js is successfully installed. So there is no need to set up the environment variable like we use in to do in Selenium Java installation, because while installing the Node.js exe setup, it automatically set up the environment variable. So let's check whether our Node.js is installed or not. So search for command prompt, open it and type node version. Here you can see the version is 22.1.0. And one more thing you have to check is whether npm is installed or not. To check npm installation, write npm version. Here you can see the npm version in 9.8.1. So now you can close this window. As you can see, Node.js version is installed and npm is also installed. Now one thing you have to download is download Visual Studio to code in PlayWright. Download Visual Studio, why we are preferring? Because it is better platform for JavaScript programming. So I have already installed my Visual Studio. Here it is. So what you can do is you just click on this Windows and then it will automatically install a setup, and then you have to install that. After that installation, open Visual Studio Code. So here my Visual Studio Code is open. So now you have to install the PlayWright. So how to do that? First of all, you have to create one folder in directory. So I'm creating one folder here like PlayWright demo. The folder is created. Go to again your Visual Studio Code, open that folder here. Now you can see the folder is open. Now go to terminal and click on new terminal. Now after that, what you have to do is, now you have to go is PlayWright website. Just search for PlayWright and you can see playwright.dev. It is the official website for PlayWright. Click on this. Now you can see there PlayWright more for browsers like Chromium, Edge, and Firefox and Safari. So these are the four browsers. Any browser, any platform, one API. So cross browser testing, cross platform testing, Windows, Linux, Mac OS, or locally or on CI, headless or headed. CI you can use Jenkins or GitHub Actions. Cross languages. What are the languages it support? It use the Playwright API in TypeScript, JavaScript, Python, .NET, Java. So these are the languages. Sorry, I have clicked. These are the languages which Playwright do support. Testing mobile web application it also test. Now resilience, no flaky task is there. No trade off, no limit. Now these are the features. Now click on docs. Here you can see the installation. How to install the Playwright. To install the Playwright for npm, you have to run with this command. Copy this command, go to Visual Studio Code, write in terminal, and click enter. Now, do you want to use TypeScript or JavaScript? You can select it by using arrow keywords. We are going with TypeScript, so select TypeScript and press enter. Now, where to put your end-to-end test? What does it mean? It will create one folder with test and put all that end-to-end tests in that folder. So click enter. Add a GitHub action workflow. No, I don't want that. Click enter. Make and install Playwright browser. Playwright browsers means every browser will be installed like Chromium, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Safari. You can also do it that manually by running that command npx playwright install. It will install all the browsers. So I want to install all the browser. So let's make it true and click on enter. Now initializing npm project. Now it is starting the installation of browsers. Seconds, not few seconds for wait. Now it is downloading the browsers. Now you can see there is a message. The browser playwright is already sorry the playwright is installed, and that's it. The playwright setup and installation is done. So in the next session we will discuss um, how to run our first test, what command should we use, and we will discuss about these things: non-module stats, what is test example, what is package JSON file, what is playwright config.ts. We will discuss all these in next lecture. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.